All of our saws are designed in SolidWorks ahead of time before the production begins, after which we have a full service in-house machine shop and fabrication facility where we machine and fabricate the parts for all of our saws and our equipment. You'll notice that the saws do have guards on them. All of our saws come with guards. We remove the guards for the demonstration of this video so you can get a better outlook on how the wire travels and how it cuts.
That is the taking off of the guard.
We were contacted by a longtime customer that had a special project driving 1,500, 2,000 piles, and they wanted a saw that would cut the piles off after they've been driven. The saw will be mounted to the pile driving machine itself. After the pile is driven, the saw will cut the top of the pile off. It is based on our patented version of our underwater wire saw, which is a 4-wheel drive saw. It runs a continuous loop wire, which eliminates the possibility of any breaking of the wire during cutting. We're cutting an actual conductor from the Gulf of Mexico. It's 31 inches in diameter with a 1/2-inch wall, grout filled with an inside stringer. This is typical for a conductor leg or a pipe in the Gulf of Mexico. We drive wedges. We did that for our demonstration. You don't necessarily have to drive wedges. The saw will cut without wedges being driven, depending on the diameter of what you're cutting. If it's a large enough diameter, as it closes at the back of the cut, it'll actually close, but it won't close the front of the cut until the wire comes through. Notice we're putting the guards back on. That is how the saws will ship, and it kind of shows you how easy they are to maintenance, the saws, because you can take the wheels off, take the guard off, exchange motors if you need to, and put them back together in a relatively short time. These saws will cut anything from metal to concrete. There's no limitation to what we can cut, whether it be a frame saw as you see here or one of our freeform saws.
All right, that's it. That's it.